Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your Windows 10 desktop background. So let's go ahead and open up the web browser. Inside the web browser I've loaded these three different websites. All of these websites you can download images for free, so I'll put a link to each one of these websites in the YouTube description. Let's look at Unsplash and we can type anything we like in here in terms of what we want to search. So I'm going to search for, let's say, space for now, right? Space. We will like a bit of space, and you've got all these different images. So you can pick any one. I would suggest that you pick something that's kind of this landscape type shape. So I'm going to click here and then click free download. Let's go over to the next website, and this one's called Pexels. This is a really nice website to find photos and videos. So we can go into here and let's type in something like art gallery. So here we've got all these different images of art galleries. Some of them look pretty cool. So maybe something like this one here, for example, right? So let's click that, and then we'll click free download here as well. And then we'll go to the final site, and this one's called Pixabay, and you can download free images from here as well. This one here looks really nice, so we'll click on that one and we'll click free download, and then we'll download it at this 1920 by 1280 should be fine. You don't need to download the high resolution. This one should be fine. Let's click download, and then we'll tick this box and then click download. So we've got three different images here. I'm just going to drag this to the side and then open up this folder, and we'll just drag these three pictures into this folder like this. Okay, cool. Let's close down the web browser and we just minimize this. Let's just put this into the center of the screen somewhere like here. And all you need to do is to add the desktop background or change it. All you need to do is just click on the picture, right click, and then go to set as desktop background. So we do that one, and now we've got this nice desktop background. And then you can just right click on this one, set this one as the desktop background, and here you can see the planet Earth. And then we'll do the final one, right click, set as desktop background, and now you can see this gallery, right? And out of the three, I think the first one was the nice one, so I'm going to right click and set that as the desktop background. So if you want to customize your desktop background, you can take it into Photoshop or something like GIMP software, and then you can just go ahead and change the image or add your branding and other stuff on top of it. So if I right click on this one and go set as desktop background, all I've done is taken that into Photoshop and put my logo at the top, and I've downloaded this picture probably from Unsplash as an example, right? So that's how you go about changing your desktop background. If you're making YouTube videos and you're screen recording your computer, sometimes it's nice to have a different desktop background, maybe have your brand on there, or you might just want to put a nice photo of your family on your laptop computer, or however you want to use this particular background. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like this video and write a comment if you feel like it's you found it useful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next DCP web tutorial.